In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your web page, whether by uploading it directly or embedding it from YouTube or Vimeo, and then positioning it perfectly on the page. Adding video content to your web page can significantly enhance user engagement and convey information in a more dynamic way, making your page both interactive and informative. Let's dive right into it. First, let's explore uploading a video directly to your web page. This is a great option if you have original content or specific clips you want to showcase without relying on an external platform. You'll start by locating the section on your web page editor labeled Add, which is generally represented with a plus sign or a button labeled Add Element, depending on your platform. Once you've done that, look for the video option. Selecting this will present you with an option to upload. Choose this to open your file explorer, where you can select the video file you want to upload from your computer. Make sure your video file is in a web-friendly format like MP4 or WebM for best results. Keep in mind that uploading directly might affect your page load time depending on the file size. A tip here is to compress your video using online tools to maintain quality while reducing size. Next, if you prefer using existing content from YouTube or Vimeo, embedding the video might be the better route for you. This method not only keeps your website's loading speed optimal, but also provides users the familiar interface of these popular video platforms. To do this, go back to the Add Video section of your web page editor, but this time choose Embed from YouTube or Vimeo. You'll need the URL of the video. Simply go to the site, find the video you want, and copy the link from the address bar. Return to your editor, and paste the link in the provided field. This method automatically streams the video content from its host site, so you don't have to worry about storage issues. Now let's get into positioning your video on the page. Once your video is uploaded or embedded, you'll have options to move it around. Make sure to place it in a spot where it complements the other elements on your page and ensures maximum visibility to your visitors. Most editors will allow you to drag and drop the video element. Pay attention to alignment guides that appear. These can help you center your video or align it with other elements for a cleaner look. You can also adjust the size and placement by accessing the properties or settings of the video element. Finally, once your video is in the perfect spot, don't forget to save your work and preview your page. It's always good to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile views to ensure a seamless experience for all users. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and position a video on your web page. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.